Hey, what's up, Daniel Boom? Coach Miller here. Just a little checking on me. I'm doing great. Trying to stay active and busy. I sure do enjoy popping in on your guys' like Zoom or Google Chat um, opportunities with your teachers stuff. I really enjoy seeing you guys. Another thing, those videos of the obstacle courses were amazing. Well done, guys. I was extremely pleased by how awesome you all did with that. I enjoyed seeing how you guys are very innovative. You added your own things to it. It was really cool for me to see, and I watched every single one of them. And yeah, just a great job, guys. I do enjoy that you guys are taking time and doing PE work and stuff like that. It does, it's much appreciated on my end. So this week, we are going to be doing a little, let me get to that little thing. Oh, there I am, small corner. And we are going to be doing a scavenger hunt. So in the scavenger hunt, oops, hang on, guys. There we go. Scavenger hunt. So you have an indoor and outdoor scavenger hunt. Okay, so again, you can break this up and do it at the pace you want. Just kind of scrolling things you see there. The thing is, so we have a set of items to find inside and outside. And you're going to share this with me by either collecting the items and taking like a one picture or something like that, or just taking individual pictures of stuff. But one catch, and you also just do a little checklist. If you just print this off or you just want to send me a checklist that you found stuff, that works as well. But try and do a little cross-curricular stuff and tying in other things. You need to be able to you're going to find one item from each, and you're going to draw that item for me. So you're going to share that with me. I know Mr. Sherman would probably be very pleased and like the cross-curricular effect. So you find an inside item and an outside item. You're going to collect them all, okay, or as much as you can find. You can either check them off, you can take pictures of them, or one big picture, but I do want to see one item that was drawn from the inside, and then one item you found on the outside drawn and shared either by the Daniel PE Facebook page or emailing it to me. So kind of tying in art in this as well, but I can't wait to see what you guys find and what you guys draw. So that is what we're doing this week. I have also, right here, you'll see a virtual hike through the Olympic National Park. So there is I found this YouTube thing, these 4K virtual hikes, and I have shared it. And so every week I'm going to try to give you guys a hike through. So what you can do with this, you can walk or run in place as you're going through the hike. Now the hike is very long, so maybe break it up to maybe about 5 to 10 minutes a day where you are walking, or you are either you're walking or jogging in place is one of the options you can do. Or like for me, I have my bike. It's on a trainer right now, and you can put it up on like the TV, and you can do like a virtual ride on your bike. Don't ride around your house, but if you have some way that you can do a trainer, your parents have it, that's another possibility as well. But hiking and running are definitely the best. Again, it's something you do with your parents. Another rule on that, if you see water on your hike, you got to do 15 push-ups. So 15 push-ups, and yeah, anytime you see water, 15 push-ups. So this week's going to be the Olympic National Park. If you don't know, I do enjoy going hiking very much. Recently, I guess it was like a year or so ago, I went to Tallgrass, where they have roaming bison, which is a very cool trip. And this is another place I would love to go, is Olympic National Park. But here's a virtual tour of it, and hike along with them, walk along with them, run along with them, run in place and break it up. So something very cool for you guys to do. So those are your assignments for this week. And then, like I said, I always have a quote for you guys. So here it is. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. So I know we're kind of going through some different times, unusual times, but you what you make of it and the smile you put on is kind of contagious, right? Smiling and having positive thoughts can be passed on to other people, and it gets contagious. People are having those positive and awesome thoughts. So let your smile change that world, right? Go out, smile, make the best of it, help each other, be kind to one another, help your family. And yes, you guys can take steps at a time that you're going to change the world just by your smile. So keep up the positive work, guys. Always remember, be great, make today great. Doing your best. There's no excuse for not giving your best every day. So make today great, guys. I miss you. I care about you. I can't wait to see you again. Peace.